Hi everybody, today on Family Cooking Life we are going to do Vietnamese Thai spring roll, my version. I'm going to be doing a chicken thigh. I'm going to blitz that up and some shrimp together. I've got a cauliflower, cabbage, carrot slaw. I'm going to blend that up. We're going to add some eggs, some ginger and some garlic, some shallot, some mushroom and some lime to lighten it up. We're going to be putting our cooked rice noodles in and doing some wraps. These things are amazing. Ever since I had them probably 12 years ago, I just started making them every day. Like, I love them. My wife loves them. They are gluten-free. We use a spicy Thai chili. It's great. Okay, everybody, first things first, I'm going to get some salt up my shrimp a little bit, pull as much moisture as I can out of them. And then once they're nice and dry, I'll blitz them up or dice them up with my knife. Okay, so we're gonna go straight to my chicken thighs. These are super simple, to debone. So there's a straight up bone right there. You can feel it with your fingers. You just get underneath with your knife cut first, flip it around and get underneath on this side, and then it should just slide right out. Done. Now with these, there's always a little bone hiding, and just feel around on the thigh and you'll find it. You can see it's right there, and make sure you cut that out. Now, for these spring rolls, I do not want the skin, so I'm going to take the skin right off. Okay. We're going to get any excess fat off that we don't want. We want mostly just the meat. And I feel another bone. So always double check and feel around on your thighs to make sure that the bones are all gone, and try and get as much fat off as possible. I use chicken thighs because they have a great flavor in spring rolls, and they go really well with shrimp. Okay, on chicken thighs, we're gonna blitz those up here in a minute. My shrimp are drying out really nice. I salted them to pull out some moisture, and I'm just gonna pat them a little bit and get the key to these things is to get as much moisture out as you can, because if you have too much moisture in, they will explode in your oil, and then you're wasting your money, and they're gonna just go all over the place. Hopefully that doesn't happen today, but I have had it happen. It happens a lot, and you just got to be careful and get as much moisture out as you can. So I'm going to blend up all my cabbage carrot mixture, and then I'm going to blend up my meats. I'm going to add it together. Then we'll get our processing of all these ingredients together. We'll mix her up, and then we'll start rolling. Okay guys, we're gonna blend up my chicken thigh and get her processed. We want it nice and chopped up. Chicken is all blended in. Okay, now we're gonna do the shrimp. Our shrimp is all mixed, and we're gonna get that in with our mixture. Give that a rinse. Now that we've got all our mince done and our mixture with our, I'm going to go in with a little bit of ginger, a little bit of garlic. I'm going to peel up some shallots and some mushrooms. I'm going to put them in the blender, and they're going to go in with that as well. And then we'll get into rolling really quick. Okay, ginger. Okay, all ingredients in your blender, your mixer, dicer, your chopper, whatever you want to call it. Okay, we got our blended mushrooms, shallots, onions, ginger, and garlic. We're going to toss that in with our mixture, with the chicken and the shrimp. And I'm just going to get right in there. Mix her up nicely. We're going to add some salt, some pepper. We're going to add some lime juice, a little bit of soy sauce, and an egg to bring it all together. We're going to get your lime juice in. That's probably plenty. Like I said, you don't want too much moisture. You take your dried rice noodles, make sure they're dry. If they're not dry and you feel any kind of moisture in them, you can always put a clean kitchen towel. These are pretty dry, but letting them sit for a while, probably half an hour. These things only take about 4 minutes in boiling water turned off, and then they're done. Now you're gonna take these, a ball of them, I'd say about a cup's worth, and just give them a nice chop through. Once and twice. You don't want to mince them up too much. Add them to your mixture and go with your egg. Okay, now that we got our egg in here, I'm going to add my salt. I would say about half a teaspoon. I'm just guessing because I've made them quite a bit. Fresh ground pepper. Cool thing about these is you can mix this up, make yourself a roll, and try it, and if it's not seasoned enough, you can add more seasoning. So you're gonna do a little bit of soy sauce, gluten-free. Okay. You can smell the ginger, the garlic, the egg's gonna cook in there, and it's gonna make these things nice, solid inside our wrap. Okay, we have some rice paper that we're gonna use. You might wanna check your thickness of your rice paper. If it's too thin, they might blow up or break, or they'll be hard to wrap. Let's hope I got some good ones this time. I'm using some that I've never used before. Let's give it a shot. You would soak these for about 5 seconds, but for these, you don't want them that soft. So we're only gonna go in probably 2, 3, 4 seconds. You can bring them out. We're putting it on a towel to keep the moisture off the outside. So when we roll them, there's no moisture on the outside and they won't explode in the oil. My oil is heated up to 350 to 365 and around there. That's a perfect temperature for these. And yeah, let's get it done. Get one in there. You take your mixture, put it on one end, and you're gonna make a cylinder of the mince. Just like that. And then you're going to take the top of your rice paper roll and nice and tight. You want these so super, super tight. And you're gonna wrap them in. Oh, it's nice. This paper or towel is picking up all the moisture on the outside, so hopefully we don't have any explosions. Perfect. One done. Let's get her in the oil and see what happens. No explosions yet. Got one little bubble there. That's okay. Okay, the first spring roll is done. We got some nice color, getting golden brown. It was floating, so I know she's done. I'm gonna bring her over here. Looks great. This get the sound off of that. I'm actually gonna cut it in so everybody can have a bite and they can cool off a lot faster. Oh yeah. You can see, if you look on the inside, you can see the cooked chicken and the shrimp, and it's beautiful. You can smell the ginger, oh, and the garlic, so good. Okay guys, I'm gonna go in because I can eat these things hot. I got some sweet Thai chili sauce I'm dunking it with. Yeah, it smells good. Perfect. Okay everybody, we did our chicken and shrimp spring rolls. My way, they're a Thai Vietnamese spring roll. They're great. I'm gonna eat probably 15 right now. I just wanted to thank everybody for watching my channel. It was wonderful to see how many people are commenting and just having views. Please like and subscribe if you want to know more about these recipes. Just let me know and I will answer you below, and I will give you the recipe or answer any questions that you need. Thank you so much.